Vodacom Super Rugby final series is well underway, and from a South African point of view, not too much to speak of. That's why I've got my handkerchief with me. We're all in tears. The Stormers are out as we confirm the results. The Highlanders, they were absolutely superb, though, at home with a big win against the Chiefs, and obviously for the DHL Stormers and for Alice to see a disappointment as they wrap up their season with a loss at home to the Brumbies. Well, this is what we're going to see in the semi-finals next weekend, both being played on the Saturday. And the action will get going from 9 o'clock. But confirmation that the Hurricanes will now take on the Brumbies and the Waratahs will therefore take on the Highlanders. And the kickoff times we've also got confirmed for you, starting with the match build-up. And the studio build-up will start from 9 o'clock on Saturday. And that second time over there at 5 to 12 is the kickoff time of semi-final 2 between the Waratahs and the Highlanders. So it's a sad end to South African teams in Vodacom Super Rugby 2015, but there's still plenty of rugby action to come. Thanks for joining us. Cheers.